Wheels and tires, suspension work, you go to Coast to Coast. Guys, man, it's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and we have big truck here today. Woo! Coming, baby, coming. It's coming for you. Turbo diesel, 3500, heavy duty, man. Big truck, Dodge Ram, big boy, man, big boy. The 28-inch American Force wheels. Wow, wow. 28-inch American Force. Beautiful. Set this truck off amazing, man. 28s, not 6s, the 28s, man. Truck drives amazing, fits perfect. This truck is a beast. We went from a simple truck to a monster. The tires on there, got the Lexani tires on here, fits perfectly. No rubbing, no scrubbing. You might want to lower the rear a little bit, just to level her out a little bit. I don't care what you drive. Wheels and tires, suspension work, you go to Coast to Coast. Check us out anytime, man. We've been here over 20 years. Anything you guys need, holler at us.